Hi, welcome to the Cozy Golden Kitchen. Let's make something warm, delicious, and comforting together. Hey y'all, it's time to make the donuts. Let's get started. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Let's rejoice and be glad in it. So I'm going to use some biscuits, and I'm using the jumbo biscuits. I'm going to open these up. This is always scary because sometimes it pops and you haven't even hit it. You know what I mean? Gets me almost every time. Okay, here we go. How dare you? Trying to heat up this oil. I don't want it to get too screaming hot. I'm not going to make too many. I can make some today and maybe a few tomorrow. We're just going to do 4. There we go. And I'm just going to use this little shot glass too. And I think that might be too big. Let me see if I got something smaller. I don't. So let's just go ahead and do this. Come on. That's cool. Let's do the rest of them. I like them like that. They're pretty cute like that. This is easy when you just want something sweet. And this doesn't take long at all. And I've already made my icing. And on the donut holes, I'm going to use a little bit of cinnamon sugar that I already have. And for the icing, I only use powdered sugar. And I use some half and half and some vanilla flavoring. Or you can use whatever type of flavoring you like. You add your milk until you get the consistency that you like for your icing. And that's it, and that's all. Okay, see how it's getting the squiggly lines? And we're going to use this, and when you drop it in there, if it starts to immediately, it's about as hot as it needs to be. You don't want it to be super hot because your donuts will cook on the outside, not on the inside. So let's test it with the donut holes. Like we have it going on. Let's do those right quick. That took about a minute or so. These are perfect. I hope it doesn't melt bad. Let's give it a shot. And that's the cinnamon sugar, remember? Please remember. Ooh, guess what's happening? Yeah, that's it. I'm making a terrible mess for these donuts, y'all. Put these over here. Yes, and they're hot. This is pretty hot. We're going to have to watch these closely. And that's just a little bit of sugar I got in there. I turned it down. Quick and easy. Look at that. Stay right there. Don't you move. And these are about done. Pardon me. Let's get these over here. I didn't make very much because I knew I wasn't going to make too many donuts. Let me see if I have something to use this. We're just going to, let me let you see. Hold on, sweetie. Hold on. I'm just going to put it here because I won't have enough room. Let me get that some on there. Did I get it? And we're just going to put it on this rack so the excess can come off. Yeah. Need a little sugar every now and then, right? You know I do. Need a little sugar every now and again. Almost there. One more. They're so tender. You got to be careful with them because they will break so easy. It ain't nothing like a tender donut, is it? If it's not, it's been sitting for a minute. Or maybe I'll take that back. It could be made with wheat or something. Some kind of flour to make them tough. But for the most part, you want a tender donut. Have you been in a donut shop lately? See how much they charge? Make your own. We're going to give it a try. This one broke apart. So we're going to try this. It's so soft. It is. Just a little piece and see how soft it is. It's so soft. That's delicious. And if you need a sugar fix, that will do it. Okay. Try to let them set up a little bit. And let's take a bite of this one. Coffee, please. It's delicious. It's just a little easy recipe. When you want something sweet and you have some biscuits in the refrigerator, that's all you need. Just a few little items to sweeten them up, to glaze them, to add the cinnamon sugar, which is delicious. I like it with the cinnamon sugar because it makes them look crunchy. Thanks for watching. I love you. And until next time, you stay safe, you stay well, and you stay blessed. And make you a donut or two. Later.